Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can change the Microsoft Bing to Google in Microsoft Edge. So if you search anything on my Microsoft Edge, for example, if I search here, as you can see, it is showing the Microsoft Bing search history. So I don't want it. I'm going to make it Google. So for that I have to go to here, click on three dots, and then go to settings. Okay, after coming to the settings you will see an option called privacy search services, and then as you can see there is an option down below is called address bar and search. Click on here. As you can see, search bar used in address bar, so it has default value, it is Microsoft Bing, so I'm gonna make it Google. Okay, now close it. Okay, now search something. As you can see, it is now showing the Google search history. So this is it. This is the way you can make it Microsoft Bing to Google search in Microsoft Edge. So thank you, thanks for watching.